Hey guys, so I am here to make sure that you guys are wearing this guy properly. It's used for many things, but all in all, it is to help keep your lungs safe from things that you don't want to be breathing in, like sawdust or chemicals. And so I'm going to be showing you guys how to check and make sure that this is fitting your face properly. So first off, we're going to start by how to adjust it. We're going to adjust it with these two guys on either side of the mask. You can just pull on these once they're on your head and it gets tighter. And then there's also these straps, these little dangly boys here that go around your neck. And the way you secure that, you put it around your neck and then you latch it. This goes in here and it latches like that. And then you can tighten it with these two straps once it's around your neck. Also, you want to make sure that you're changing out your filters properly. I haven't changed mine in quite some time and I'm in desperate need of doing that. As you can see, it does a great job at keeping your lungs clean. All of that is dirt that could have gone into your lungs, and this is the side that doesn't have the dirt. Yeah. Anyways, so once you are ready to put your mask on, you're going to put this over your head and you're going to make sure that this is on the crown. As you can see, it's right around my head. And you want this to be touching all surfaces of skin on the bridge of your nose and on your cheeks. And once your mask is in place, you're going to grab your two little things. You're going to wrap it around and tighten if you need to with these guys. All right, so once your mask is on, it's going to be a little challenging to breathe, sort of. You're still going to be able to breathe. It just takes a little while getting used to. But once it's on, you're going to cover this and this with your hands and breathe in. You should feel some suction against your hand, and that is saying that the mask is working properly. It should be a labored breath in. It shouldn't be easy to breathe in. And this checks the seal along these two filters. It checks to make sure that that seal is working with your hands like that. And then to check this guy, to make sure that all of this is sealed up properly, you're going to place your hand here and try to breathe out. So it should be really, really hard to push air through that. And there should be pressure in your ears. And this tells you that the seal along your face is working properly. So breathe in. Breathe out.